Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two top-rated robot vacuums on our comparison table. The Tikom robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max. We'll be comparing these two products in different categories to see which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Tikom robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max excel. The Tikom robot vacuum offers a powerful 2700 PA suction, which is perfect for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also features a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, ensuring a completely clean home. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max takes it up a notch with an impressive 4200 PA suction power, making it ideal for lifting debris, pet hair, and even deep cleaning carpets. It also offers the convenience of vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. In terms of navigation and mapping, both products have their own unique features. The Tikom robot vacuum uses Gyroscope smart navigation, following an efficient zigzag path that improves cleaning efficiency by 30% compared to random path robotic vacuums. It also has the ability to automatically return to its charging station when the battery is low. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max utilizes PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which creates precise 3D maps of your home and monitors cleaning routes efficiently. You can even virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. Moving on to additional features, both the Tikom robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max have some impressive functionalities. The Tikom robot vacuum can be controlled via an app, offering 5 cleaning modes including Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. It's also compatible with voice control through Alexa and Google Home, as well as a remote control for added convenience. Furthermore, it features Carpet Boost, automatically increasing suction power on carpets for deeper cleaning, and boundary strips to set no-go areas. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max comes with a combined dustbin and water tank, allowing you to clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling. Its multi-directional floating all-rubber brush resists hair tangles, making it perfect for long hair and pet hair. Additionally, it offers a long-lasting cleaning experience, with a runtime of up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. After comparing the Tikom robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max in various categories, it's clear that both products have their own strengths. The Tikom robot vacuum offers excellent cleaning performance, Gyroscope smart navigation, and a range of convenient features such as app control and boundary strips. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max impresses with its powerful suction, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, as well as PreciSense LiDAR navigation. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize strong suction power and advanced mapping capabilities, the Roborock Q7 Max might be the better option for you. However, if you're looking for a versatile vacuum with a more budget-friendly price, the Tikom robot vacuum is worth considering. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got you covered.